Mami ni Maine Mendoza, naiyak ng mabalitang hiwalay na sina Maine at Arjo. Kinalangtang ng balitang ito ang mundo ng social media dahil sa napabalitang hiwalay na sina Arjo Ataide at Maine Mendoza. Madami ang nasyak at hindi makapaniwala na sa ganitong kaaga ay maghihiwalay na kaagad sina Maine at Arjo. Wala pang halos isang taon simula nang sila ikasal ay eto nga at pumutok naman ang nakakagulat na balita. Hindi rin di umano makapaniwala ang malalapit na kaibigan ni Maine at Arjo, lalo't lalo na sina Vic Soto na napakalapit kay Maine Mendoza. Amin din na pag-alaman na nagsimulang umugong ang balitang ito dahil na rin sa naging cryptic post noon ni Maine Mendoza sa kanyang social media account. Quote and unquote, all of this was not easy for me because even now, not even a single scene of Arjo's fault has ever crossed my mind that things will happen, that I don't want to happen when everything is planned for our future. In the long time we'd been together, I didn't think we'd end up getting divorced. We're already married and fulfilling our dreams before starting a family. But it seems like that's just a dream, and it seems like it's only a dream. You didn't fulfill your responsibility to your family just to hide it from me. Disappointed di umano ang mami ni Maine at emotional na din dahil sa mga balitang kumakalat na hiwalay na ang anak at si Arjo Ataide.